Ever wanted to see you on television? If yes, then let's create this amazing vintage TV effect. So we are back in the interface of Adobe PM Pro. Firstly, import the vintage television footage on your timeline. Then import the clip which you want to place inside the TV. Now we'll trim the video from the end to match our footage. Now select this clip and go to Effects and Control. Now adjust the scale and position of this clip until it fully covers the TV frame. Now disable this layer for a while. Now go to Effects and Control and select Opacity option. You will see in Pen tool option, click on it. Now zoom your screen to a little bit. We'll set it to 50% so that you can precisely make the mask. Now start drawing the mask around the corner of the TV screen. If you are familiar with Photoshop or Illustrator, you can perfectly draw the mask. If not, then it will take a while to draw the mask. Just a while. I'll just fast forward the video so that your time will not get wasted. And now we'll fit the screen. Now we'll unhide our clip. You can see our mask has been created. Now we'll feather our mask by 20%. Now click on Effects Workspace or directly go to the Effects panel. Now expand the video effect, then expand distort. Now drag and drop lens distortion to your timeline. Change the lens distortion curvature to 20%. It will create a nice curvy look. Now drag and drop transform effect to your timeline and increase the scale of it so that the white borders will not show off. Now go to Lumetric Color and click on Basic Correction and increase the exposure to around 1.4. Contrast to -13. Increase highlight by 10. Now click on Creative and decrease saturation to 70 and sharpness to -43 and faded film to 14.7. Now import the overlay on a timeline. You will get this type of overlay on the internet and adjust the screen and position of it until it covers the screen of TV. And if you want this particular video for practice, the link is in the description, you can check it out. Now copy the mask which you have made at starting by right clicking on it and paste it on the overlay layer. The paste option is grayed out if you directly paste the mask here. So firstly click on the opacity, then paste here and change the blending mode to screen. Now select the mask, and if your mask is not aligned properly, then align it to the TV screen, and do not align like this, it will take a lot of time. Rather just select all the points and drag it to the screen corner. I'll just fast forward the video so that your time will not get wasted and decrease the opacity of it according to your liking. Now drag this both layer one layer above. Now press Alt and drag this layer upwards to make a duplicate of it. Now go to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. And drag and drop this effect to your timeline. And change the value of Gaussian Blur to around 180. By doing this, it will create an amazing glowing effect. Now I'll trim an overlay layer to match the footage. And it's done. Your amazing vintage TV effect has been ready. So this is it for this video. If you learned anything new, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and make your amazing facts.